I came in tired and far from home, with dust on my shoes and a song in my bones. Then I saw those green hills rolling low, like a prayer in the morning, soft and slow. The lakes lay still, like a lover's hand, and the waterfalls sang through the quiet land. At sunrise the sky turned gold and blue, and I knew right then what beauty can do. The people met me with open arms, kind eyes, warm smiles, and peaceful charm. They taught me love in a simple way, that a welcome can carry you all the day. Rwanda, land of 1,000 hills, you move my heart, you soothe my will. Your smiling hearts, your peaceful skies keep calling me back home tonight. Rwanda, forever in my heart. You were the light right from the start. I heard the birds in the silver trees, saw mountain gorillas moving ease by ease. In the parks where the wild things roam, I found a stillness that felt like home. Clean streets shining in the afternoon, quiet towns where the bells ring true, and in the country fields stretch wide, with every soul standing side by side. From the drumbeat deep to the woven cloth, from the old song sung and the burdens lost, there's pride in the earth and grace in the air, a nation rising with love to share. Rwanda, land of 1,000 hills, you move my heart, you soothe my will. Your smiling hearts, your peaceful skies keep calling me back home tonight. Rwanda, forever in my heart. You were the light right from the start. Oh, I carry your sunsets wherever I go. Your gentle strength, it still makes me glow. A small, sweet land with a mighty flame, and I bless the day I knew your name. Rwanda, Rwanda, land of 1,000 hills, you move my heart, you soothe my will. Your smiling hearts, your peaceful skies keep calling you.